Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of messages not sent in on Gmail. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search for Gmail and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search for Gmail and you will update here on this application. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.